Hi, this is Luke from Toolbox Plus. Today we have a 2016 Isuzu MU-X, stock number 6331. It's run from the 11th 2013 to the 1st 2017. It has a 4JJ1 3-litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the 4JJ1 3-litre diesel turbo engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,